Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this upcoming airdrop from this bridge, which is called dBridge. And why I am bullish on this project is because they basically raised $5.5 million in fundraising in 2021. So I wouldn't be surprised if they raised more more millions in basically in 2024. Who knows? But this is one of the biggest on Solana as well, and this is one of my favorite bridges because the speed is basically a few seconds, and I would definitely recommend you to use it. And right here you can see all the big projects that have basically led this fundraising, like Animoca Brands, Crypto.com, Huobi Capital, which is a huge exchange. That's why I am bullish on this bridge. And they basically raised in 2021 when the bridging wasn't even like popular. That's why this is basically one of the earliest bridges. And why I am bullish is because, first of all, I will show you, I will send a transaction from Ethereum to Base, okay? So if you want to send some funds to Base or even Solana, Polygon, Linea, there are not many chains, but this is one of the fastest, and I will show you. For example, I want to send 0.01 Ethereum from the mainnet, which is basically high fees, to the Base. And I'm doing this because the fees right now are really, really low. And the best thing is that right here you can see how many points you will get per bridge. So for example, if I'm bridging Ethereum from the mainnet to Base, I am getting 290 points. And this is really good because you can basically count how many bridges you need to do to get, for example, 3,000 points. You'll need to do 10 bridges around that, right? So basically you can do 1 or 2 bridges every day and you will get 6,000 points in 10 days. And always remember, do decent volume. Don't do like $1 because you can be thrown out from this airdrop. Always do at least $5 to $10, and don't do like 100 transactions in one day. Do basically a transaction, then mint some NFTs, lend some liquidity to few protocols. There are many tokenless protocols like Camino or EtherFi. You can do Sanctum. I made a Sanctum video. Basically, do some transactions that are not just bridges, and you will be good. And again, you can see all the points that you are making. And the number 3 aspect why I am bullish on dBridge is because, for example, if you want to send some Solana to other chain, one of these chains, you can use your Phantom wallet. And you will qualify with your Phantom wallet, not only MetaMask. And right here you can see I have around 3,500 points on my Solana wallet. And I have around 12,000 points on my MetaMask wallet. I have basically bridged some assets for 1 month on dBridge, and I am already rank number 8,480 with 12,000 points, which is not that much, but if you do more transactions, more bridges, you will do more points, which are quite easy to make. You can also see how many points you are basically getting from each transaction. And that's why I am bullish. And if you want to join this airdrop, all the links are in the description and in the comment section. There could be a point multiplier if you join by referral code. That's basically what most projects are doing right now. So if you want to join by referral code, you can use mine in the description and in the comment section. And thanks for supporting this channel. And again, they basically raised $5.5 million, which is quite a lot because they did it early, and I wouldn't be surprised if they raised more. So let's hope for the best. And yeah, you can basically use this bridge, incorporate in your bridging routine, in your bridging routes, because I do multiple bridges. And I mint NFTs between them. I basically use applications like Camino, Sanctum, where I do some lending, some borrowing, and all that stuff basically counts as a normal human behavior. you will not be eliminated or basically counted as a Sibyl, and you will get the juicy airdrop. That's why I recommend you to do the same. So that's basically it. All the links are in the description. And if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto airdrop and NFT alpha, press that like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get the notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming airdrop, NFT, and a crypto alpha, because I will be bringing alpha every single day. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.